Taiga burp, please? No! Can I tell you a secret? Can I tell you a secret? Right in your ear. How did it feel? How did it feel? Weak? Weak? What? You think that burp was weak? Fine. Fine. Is that better? Was that better? Huh? How was that? Hmm? 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 I can burp on command. Did you know that? Did you guys know that? I can just burp whenever I want. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. There's a reason I don't do it. Jesus Christ. Taiga after steak? No, for real. Based? Don't say based. I mean, is it based? I don't know. I'm not gonna do that again, I promise. I'm done. Excuse me, hold on. Bah. Excuse me. Oh my god. Bah. I'm sorry. I need a 4. I'm gonna give this a 4. Burps cutely. I can feel it. I can feel it in my gut. Oh, Jesus, thank you. Sorry for burping in your face. I appreciate the healing machine. Kisses.
Huggies.
Oh, sorry. I was looking at Swiffers. I would huff. Oh, excuse me. I would pretend that didn't happen. I would huff panties if I could. But like, yeah, I'm not. I don't know where that came from. I apologize. My bad, I guess. My bad, I guess. Excuse me. Taiga tongue out. That was embarrassing. Hot? Hot? You think that was hot? You think that was hot? Fair enough. But I was thinking. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you for the 100. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.